I'm Lauren Espin, and you're listening to The Optimistic Outlook in 5. Today, we're going to talk about a major milestone for Siemens USA, an achievement that stretches from coast to coast and has had a profound positive impact on American industry. That milestone is $1 billion. Between 2021 and 2026, Siemens has invested $1 billion in U.S. manufacturing. Now, you might be wondering, what does that really mean? What does an investment of that size look like in practice? Let me give you some examples. In North and South Carolina, we invested $165 million in facilities manufacturing the electrical infrastructure that powers data centers. In Raleigh, we've added a completely new facility for assembling Siemens integrated power delivery solutions. At our Spartanburg and Roebuck facilities, we added over 140,000 square feet of new capacity and created 150 local jobs. In Fort Worth, Texas, we invested more than $190 million in a 500,000 square foot facility producing critical electrical infrastructure. To help operate Fort Worth, we created 480 new jobs and built a customized training program to bring people without experience into the manufacturing sector. By the end of 2026, that number will rise even further for a total of 800 jobs at our Fort Worth facility. In Pomona, California, $95 million was used for both a greenfield site and to upgrade existing facilities. That new space is critical to producing low-voltage electrical equipment for our customers and has created more than 120 jobs for local workers. And this is just part of the picture. Millions more have gone to building, upgrading, and expanding manufacturing operations across the nation. In Buffalo Grove, Illinois, in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, in Lexington, North Carolina. Each of these investments has important ripple effects. New jobs are created. Career paths that were unknown or simply not available start to open up for local people. Workers get access to new training and career development. Local economies get a boost from both direct and indirect investments in the area. But it goes even farther than that. One of Siemens' key goals is to support the industries that form the backbone of America's economy: industry, infrastructure, and transportation. Our new passenger rail manufacturing facility in North Carolina, the result of a $220 million investment, will make the trains that move people nationwide. The electrical infrastructure produced in Texas and California will be used in grids and data centers across the country, advancing AI and supporting energy efficiency. That is what we're really proud of. This billion-dollar investment isn't just a figure on an Excel spreadsheet. It's people learning and growing in their careers. It's the cities and townships benefiting from domestic industry and local jobs. It's building out critical infrastructure for key industries: semiconductors, automotive, AI, data centers, utilities, healthcare, and more. It's revitalizing domestic manufacturing so Americans can make what they need at home. And it's increasing U.S. economic competitiveness and boosting growth at the national level. That's how much can happen in 5 years. And Siemens is already looking forward to the next 5, where more investments in American manufacturing, in industry, infrastructure, and transportation benefit our customers, partners, workers, and the communities around them. Thanks for listening to another episode of The Optimistic Outlook. You can find more information about Siemens' exciting investments in American manufacturing on our website and in the show notes. See you next time. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Optimistic Outlook. Be sure to tune in for more conversations with leaders shaping technology for a better tomorrow. Please subscribe to The Optimistic Outlook wherever you listen to your podcasts, and be sure to share the podcast with a friend or colleague.